Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the quickest corn pudding, corn casserole recipe, perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas or any holiday baking. Let's get into it. First, grab a clean bowl, crack 4 eggs and add a cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You add 1 stick of melted butter. Give everything a good stir. I want to go in with a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix everything until well combined. Add 1 can of cream start corn, followed by 8.5 ounces of whole kernel corn. Make sure to drain the water from the corn before adding it, okay? Now add 15.25 ounces of sweet golden corn and stir everything together. Pour in 1 cup of sour cream and mix again. Add 1 8.5 ounce box of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix and combine until the batter is smooth and even. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipe from the Food Ninja. Let me know in the comment section below where you're watching this video from. Thank you. So that's how you want your batter to be looking. So now you want to lightly grease 1 casserole pan. Grease all the sides, with melted butter. Once you're done, you're gonna pour your corn pudding mixture into the pan and smooth out the top. Transfer it to the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 40-45 minutes or until the center is set but still slightly jiggly, just like a custard. And that's it guys, your delicious creamy golden corn pudding is ready to serve. Perfect for any holiday table. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have yourself a good one. Bye bye.